clarifications, Mr. Speaker. Did I hear it right that you said that show business could be likened to a system?
Approximately to a system.
Approximately.
Yes.
So in other words, it's comparable to a system.
Comparable to a system.
It's comparable to a system, and system is an institution. Then show business could be comparable to an institution.
Yes. Another
Institution follows processes, and processes somehow suggest expectations, because you can determine or somehow anticipate how institutions are going to work. Am I right?
Yes, I seriously agree with that.
Would it not be acceptable to say that there are also expectations, therefore, in show business?
Definitely there are.
I rest my case.
Thank you. Now, speakers, you may now cross the house.
Sisureta na dito.
Walang closing? Walang closing?
Walang